This is a Level 2 onboarding video brought to you by Trashbots. In this video, we will talk about the T-Bot along with programming it using T-Blocks. Overview of the Trashbots platform. There are three parts of the platform: the bot, the app, and the lessons. Rundown of the T-Bot. The motors are at the side of the T-Bot, the LED lights are in the middle, and the on and off switch, along with the speaker and charging port, is at the bottom. In order to charge your T-Bot, make sure to use the charging port at the bottom, because at the top there's a micro USB port to update your T-Bot. Turning on the T-Bot. Use the on switch at the bottom to turn on your T-Bot. You'll see your T-Bot's name being displayed, along with a smiley face. If you want to see your T-Bot's name again, just hold down the A button. If you hold down the B button, it'll put your T-Bot into motor mode, and then you'll see your motors start to rotate. Using the app T-Blocks. T-Blocks is a block coding app to teach kids about programming concepts such as looping, waiting, variables printing, and generally programmatic thinking. The app is available on the iOS App Store, Android Store, and on the Chrome browser. In order to access T-Blocks, first go to trashbots.co and then hover over to the Portal tab and click on that. Scroll down and then you should see T-Blocks Intro to Coding appear. Once you click on that, it'll take you to an external site where you can program your T-Bot. Pairing the T-Bot. I have my robot with me, as you can see, and it's ready to be paired. So let's go through how to do that. Hover to the top right corner of the T-Block site, and then click on this T-Bot and then the question mark next to it. I already have my Tazoo T-Bot ready to be paired, but you may not. So click on Search for Robots, and then you'll be able to see your T-Bot, which is ready to be paired. Click on Pair, and you're all set. Rundown of the app. Right now I have the T-Block site open, and let's learn how to navigate it. At the bottom left corner we have three tiles: the Start, Action, and Control tiles. So what the Start tile does is it initiates the program. The Action tile controls the different actions you can use. So one of them would be rotating your motors, another could be using your speakers, or using your LED lights. The Control tile controls the flow of the program. Let's write a little sample program to get a better understanding of this. I'm going to use the start block to initiate the program. Then let's say that I want to repeat an action 5 times. I would use a loop, which can be found in the control tile. My action is going to be rotating one motor 1 time. So what this program does is it rotates one motor 5 times. I have my Trashbot with me, so let's see if it works. We've just written our first sample program. Now let's understand how to rotate the motors of our T-Bot without code, and instead of that using the gamepad button. So in order to do that, we first hover over to this circle that I'm circling right now, and we click on that. And in order to rotate our left motor, and this is my left motor of my Tazoo T-Bot, we can rotate this, and you'll see that our left motor starts to rotate. And then if we want to rotate the right motor, we can do the same thing, except with the right motor button. And that is how you rotate your motors with the gamepad button. Project examples. Now let's say that we want to change the image that our flashing display box shows. We can run this, and we see that our T-Bot has a smile. Now let's say that we want to change the smile to something else. Maybe we can do across like that. Now we've changed the image that our T-bot displays. Let's say we want to rotate a motor, and we also want to add a sound sequence. So it defaults to having these keys, so you need to clear it if you want to change it, and then you can do and now when we run our T-bot, it'll display that. And we've written a couple sample programs. For more lessons, visit lessons.trashbots.co.